From all of us at PureBlue H2O, we thank you for purchasing the single-stage direct connect water filtration system. The first step is turning off the cold water supply line. Then, turn on the kitchen faucet and allow water to drain from the line. Once the cold water supply line is turned off, disconnect the cold water faucet supply line from the cold water supply angle stop. Next, apply plumber's tape to the cold water supply line in a clockwise direction. Connect the direct connect fitting to the cold water supply angle stop and connect the cold water faucet supply line onto the top of the direct connect fitting. With an adjustable wrench, tighten the adapters until secure. Be careful not to over-tighten or strip threads as leaking may occur. Next, choose an easy-to-access area under the sink to mount the filter system. Please allow a 2-inch clearance below the system to allow space for the filter replacements. The filter system should be mounted in a vertical position and the filter head should be mounted on a firm surface. Please be advised that the filter can stand freely if mounting is not an option, but be sure it remains in a vertical, upright position. Using the mounting bracket, mark with a pencil the holes for the mounting screws on the wall surface. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill 2 pilot holes for the mounting screws. Be sure to only drill through the cabinet and not into anything behind it. Then, insert the mounting screws into the wall with a screwdriver, leaving approximately 1/4 inch of each mounting screw exposed, and hang the system head on the eyes of the bracket. Connect the 3/8 inch white and blue tubing into the direct connect fitting adapter until fully inserted. Gently tug on the tubing to ensure it is firmly seated in the fitting. Next, determine the lengths of the 3/8 inch tubing that is needed to connect the system head inlet and outlet to the water supply adapter location. Cut each tube squarely if necessary. The next step is inserting the 3/8 inch white tubing into the white inlet port and collet of the system head until fully inserted. Then, gently tug on the tubing to ensure it is firmly seated in the fitting. Repeat the same process with the blue outlet side. We have included a 3/8 inch elbow adapter to use in the system head for the tubing connection if necessary. Then, line up the filter head inlet and outlet ports and key with the inlet and outlet ports on the system head. Insert the filter by pushing upward and turning right until the filter stops in a locked position. The filter should be tight with no movement. If the filter is difficult to insert into the system head, check the filter and head ports for debris, and make sure they are clean. Make sure the inlet port, outlet port, and O-rings are clean for easier insertion and repeat this step. The final step is turning on the cold water supply at the angle stop valve and checking for leaks. If leaking occurs, check the quick connections to ensure they are fully inserted. Turn on the faucet and allow water to run for 5 minutes to flush air and carbon fines. Then, check for leaks again before leaving installation. Thank you again for purchasing our PureBlue H2O single-stage direct connect water filtration system.